Good morning, people. What's happening? I didn't expect here so much problem, but I think I will have it. Look at this here, this is not normal. I have to unload here, but this is the second spot like this. Okay. I have full truck. I am now in DJI near Darmstadt. Place called DJI, but I think in front of me it's problem. Chaperfa. Okay. Let's see. I cannot go right. But here is too much traffic. I don't think they expect such a big truck here. I have to go right, but it is mission impossible. Not right, not left. The Baustelle is over there. Okay, let's see what will happen. Morgen, hier ist Fahrerfirma Jäger. Guten Tag, ich bin hier. Ich habe dich gestern angerufen, aber habe keine Antworten. Ich habe keine Möglichkeit, komm hier bei Baustelle, bei dieser Baustelle. Ich habe keine Möglichkeit, komm bei dieser Baustelle. Ich bin 22 Meter lang und stehe hier in... Ich habe keine Möglichkeit, rechts oder links. Ich bin vorne die Straße, vorne die Baustelle, aber das geht nicht so weit. Kannst du siehst mir, oder? Rechts hier bei Unnenstraße 23. Ich bin hier. Aus meiner Seite steht, aus meiner rechten Seite steht Baustelle, Kran und. Wenn du gehst aus Baustelle links hier. Ja, aus Baustelle links stehen hier. Ich habe diese gesperrt, diese Straße. Ja. Immanuel Kant, ja, stehen vor. Siehst du mir linke Seite, guckst du, groß LKW. Ja. Wo von hinten? Jetzt weiterfahren, dann rechts. Ja, aber oben, ich weiß nicht, was ist oben, kann ich rechts fahren. So, ich muss wieder, dann rechts zweimal. Okay, gut. Okay. Ich muss, ja, weiß nicht, Seite ist, das ist meine rechte Seite, so. Eine Sekunde. Siehst du meine, ja, es geht rückwärts jetzt. Ja, ich siehst du, aber, ja? Okay, wann geht oben, aber, okay. Okay, gut. Ja, okay, ciao. He told me to drive further, but I think police must evacuate whole neighborhood today. I called him yesterday to ask him can I came here, but he told me, yeah, why not? He didn't answer me now. Ask me why can I go right. Okay. Look at this. I cannot go right now. I think I cannot. Let's try something like this. In this moment, I wish I was a gynecologist or something like that. Okay, it's fit now. Sometimes you have to be calm only. That's the only point. You cannot scared, because if you're scared in this situation, it will go wrong everything. For example, if I'm not able to drive here right or left, or I will try to find people who car is, then to leave. If I don't find, I will call police, then police will come and they will search everything. They will search people, or I don't know what, but that's my brother had that situation and everything. So look at this, for example. He doesn't allow 5 meters from cross. He must go furthermore. Okay. I think I will have to block the whole street to unload this. Okay. Because this guy is pretty funny. I will leave it here. Morgen, Sie denken, ich liefere mit PKW, oder?
Das ist ein Theater hier, das kannst du gar nicht vorstellen. Wir blockieren einfach die Straße, hier fertig. Wenn wir sie abgeladen haben, fährst du die Straße rein.
Geht nix.
Nein. Kannst du hier stehen bleiben.
Okay.
Wir stapeln so weit, dass wir mit den Kran greifen können, weißt du?
Ja, aber wo? Die hier steht, oder?
Kannst du ein bisschen weiter vorfahren, dass du links abnehmen kannst? Weißt
Ja, ich muss aus links. Okay.
du? Hier bleiben vorne auch.
Diese geht weg.
Nein, das ist weg.
Okay, gut, aber.
So weiter vorfahren, weißt du? Und von der rechten Seite abladen, wie auch immer.
Ich kann ihn abgeladen, dann ich muss noch vorfahren.
Fahr hier weg von der Bank, direkt reinfahren nach vorne, ja?
Okay. Okay, people. I have the truck here. There's a Baustelle over there, and I close everything here. I don't know. We will see what will happen here. This is the Baustelle. People are waiting behind me. I don't know. See you guys later. Bye. And I was finished here. Now I need to record one video for my chef when I ask for better money to give me. Okay. One side is Porsche and one side is BMW. Okay, I think I will have to wait here a little bit. Or can I drive through? Huh? What do you think, people? It's not too expensive, or 100,000 euro, 80,000. What to choose, huh? Okay. Let's see another side. I have lots. Gute geparkt. Alles gut, geht. Ich weiß nicht, dieser muss liefern mit kleinem Bus, oder? Mach's gut, ciao. So, since now I didn't make any damage, we'll see in front of me. So, people, if you wanna be truck driver, please don't be like me. Go to expedition, drive normally, live normal life without stress. I'm going to holiday. I'm finished this tour and I'm going to 7 days to holiday, so this must happen to me. Okay, straight ahead. Nah, it's okay. Right, left, nothing. Dun, dun, dun. So this is not every day, but one time in a week, a life of truck driver in this company, Jäger. So people, if you are considering this job, try to find, I cannot say this company is not normal, but try to find something easier. Try to find some normal route. This place called Dreiereich, something like that. I don't know how to say it. Dreieich. I think it's that. It's very beautiful place, but not to deliver the goods. It will be great if I able to find some bakery to buy a breakfast, but I don't have desire to go some narrow street. Yeah, I was forget to tell you, about 10 people told me I'm idiot because I was closed the complete street, and one lady came to me to argue with me, Turkish lady. So he told me I'm arschloch, asshole, but later she said, sorry, I didn't mean that. When she saw that I have to do something like this, but it's okay. I used to it, especially in place where you have, what's this? Some nice company, Darmstadt. Can you see when I but at the end everything is great. Everything is great. So guys, see you in some another video. Bye.